tried hiking for the first time and I didn't really know what to expect. After 4 hours of travel, we finally arrived at Dingalan Aurora, often called the Batanes of the East, because of its rolling hills, dramatic coastlines, and views that reminded people of Batanes.
This trip is sponsored by Santex Couture and Marcel Sari-Sari Store.
Uy, CJ Store.
Ay, CJ Store.
Do you have cheesy location? Cheesy bandasal.
We met our tour guide, Ate Jane. She's been guiding for 18 years, taking hikers up the mountain up to 4 times a day during peak season. She walked us through the basics, the do's and don'ts, the small reminders that suddenly made everything feel more real.
Sayang hindi nagtumbling.
Daniel kasi hindi
Nagtumbling kami si Daniel eh.
Marikit! Andito po yung marikit!
Marikit?
Andito ang marikit.
Soon after, we headed to the White Beach.
Go guys, let's go!
We got on a boat heading to the White Beach, and that short ride, it made me feel so giddy inside. I didn't realize how much I missed the beach until that moment. The sound of the waves, the breeze, the view around us, it was simple, but it felt like something I needed. After about 10 minutes, we arrived. The White Beach here is also part of why Dingalan is called the Batanes of the East.
Ah, nabis ko beach! Kayo mas po ito. Ay, hindi ko kayo na ano. Dito na tayo! Ganyan pala kayo sa labas!
It used to have fine white sand, but over time, strong waves and storms transformed it into smooth white pebbles. Still, it has its own kind of beauty. Then it was time to start the hike. A mild hike that usually takes around 30 to 45 minutes depending on your pace. Even so, we didn't really know what to expect. I won't lie, I felt nervous again. I had no idea what the trails would look like, and I didn't really prepare for this. It was a last-minute decision, and I just showed up, hoping for the best. And when we finally reached the top, we were welcomed by a view that made everything pause for a moment.
Swim. Falling up.
Mamaya magsiswim na kasi pababa na.
Type na lang natin.
Mamaya pababa na, mag-swim na talaga yan.
It was my first time standing on top of a mountain, and it made the world feel so much bigger than I imagined.
Ulit. Isipin ko muna. Kaya hindi na. Kaya na.
I was told by a friend that the food here is something to look forward to, and they were right. It was simple, but it tasted even better after the hike.
Nakapagod. Pero na-enjoy mo naman. Yung pagtalsik-talsik ko doon. Grabe talaga yun eh.
Wala kang magawa.
Oo.
Sumunod ka sa babalik ka din niya kung saan ka galing. Yeah. Kaya be humble. Wow! Ang daming
Looking back on the whole trip, the nerves and the quiet excitement of trying something new, maybe that's what first times are really about. Not being fully ready, but going anyway. And I think I'd do it again.